Alright, so I'm just going to show you quickly how to get a wire from the engine bay into the cabin of a VF Commodore. I've already undone some of the clips here. If you just take off the little kick panel here under the glove box and the little panel here on the left. Okay, go into the front. And then just here where you change your cabin filter, just lift this plastic off. The filter's in there. Just over this side, there's two little grommets. I've already taken the plug out of one of them. And just get a bit of wire or whatever you've got handy. Straight down there, get back around here, and there you go. Just put your piece of wire or your cable and pull it back through.